Diabetic diet. Managing your health through balanced eating. Living with diabetes requires careful attention to your diet to maintain stable blood sugar levels and overall well-being. A well-structured diabetic diet is crucial in managing the condition and preventing potential complications. The fundamental principles of a diabetic diet provide you with actionable steps to make informed dietary choices. Understanding diabetes and diet. Living with diabetes means your body struggles to regulate blood sugar levels. A diabetic diet balances these levels by controlling carbohydrate intake and insulin response. The importance of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates directly impact blood sugar levels. Opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, legumes, and vegetables, as they release sugar slowly, preventing spikes. Choosing the right proteins. Incorporate lean proteins such as poultry, fish, tofu, and legumes. These help build and repair tissues without causing significant blood sugar fluctuations. Healthy fats for diabetes. Focus on unsaturated fats found in olive oil, avocados, and nuts. These fats support heart health and assist in better blood sugar management. The fiber advantage. Fiber-rich foods like oats, beans, and fruits with edible skins slow digestion, promoting stable blood sugar levels and aiding digestion. Portion control and meal timing. Managing portion sizes prevents overeating, while consistent meal timings assist in maintaining balanced blood sugar throughout the day. Snacking smartly. Choose nutrient-dense snacks like Greek yogurt, raw veggies, or a handful of nuts to keep hunger at bay without causing rapid blood sugar spikes. Hydration and its significance. Staying hydrated supports kidney function, which is crucial for individuals with diabetes. Opt for water or unsweetened beverages. Incorporating fruits and vegetables. Select a variety of colorful fruits and non-starchy vegetables to benefit from essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Mindful eating practices. Eating slowly and savoring each bite prevents overeating. Mindful eating enhances your connection with food and reduces the likelihood of blood sugar spikes. Balancing blood sugar levels. A balanced diet works harmoniously with medications to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Monitor regularly and adjust your diet as needed. The role of physical activity. Regular exercise improves insulin sensitivity, helping cells effectively use glucose for energy. Combine aerobic and strength training for optimal results. Monitoring and adapting your diet. Track your blood sugar levels and note how different foods affect you. This information empowers you to refine your diet over time. Seeking professional guidance. Consult a registered dietitian or healthcare provider to create a personalized diabetic diet plan that aligns with your unique health needs. Social and emotional aspects of eating with diabetes. Navigating social events and emotions tied to food can be challenging. Remember that balance is critical, and occasional indulgences are okay with proper planning. A diabetic diet is not about deprivation but empowerment. By making informed choices, you can manage your blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of complications, and lead a fulfilling life. Remember, it's a journey, and small steps toward a balanced diet can significantly improve your overall well-being.